Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a radio player to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elfsight, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the audio section, and right down here you'll see the radio player. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 4 tabs here, which are Stations, Layout, Player, and Style. In the Station tab, you can add radio shows to the widget by clicking Add Station, then paste the station link, write the title, and add an image. Here is an example. This is the station link, the title, and also the image. After that, you can go to the Layout tab where you can change the width of your widget and also pick the positions of it, whether it is embed or floating like this. If you choose the floating layout, you can set the positions here and also give the visitors of your website options to minimize or close the radio player by enabling these options. For this video, I'll stick with this embed layout. Next, let's move on to the Player tab, where you can check or uncheck these boxes to display or hide the radio player controls and info. You can also show the title track and artist, enable autoplay features, and also manage the playlist from this tab. Lastly, you can go to the Style tab where you can customize the design of your radio player by choosing the color scheme, accent color, and font. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on this green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking this gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. After that, click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Another thing that I want to add is how to change the font of this widget without going back to Elfsight. So here I have a personalized code that I will share with you in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl C on your keyboard or right click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, click Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, and paste the code by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a radio player on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.